morning from Slovenia. My name is Kayaking. I'm a landscape and nature photographer, and right now I am kayaking on Planinsko Polje. So Planinsko Polje or Planina Fields is a karst terrain. It's a nice flat meadow area where farmers usually graze cows, but right now it's flooded, completely flooded. Normally there would be just a river Unica meandering through these fields, and it creates really beautiful scene with these round meanders and trees along riverbanks. But right now everything is flooded. All the trees are within the water. You don't even know where the river is. But right now it all looks like a huge, beautiful lake. I've been taking photos all along this morning, and it's really amazing. And now and then the wind stops and I have reflections, which really creates this beautiful scene with this mist on the water surface, nice reflections, and these beautiful shaped trees. I think it's kind of a perfect situation right now because the trees are not fully with leaves, so I can actually see some shapes of the branches, but there is still enough color to give me this beautiful autumn-like feel for the photos. Photography-wise, I'm actually using telephoto lens the most. I have this nice zoom 100 to 400 lens, and this is kind of perfect for this situation because I can flatten the scene, I can zoom in, crop out the unnecessary things, and I just get these beautiful trees with the reflections and the color and the shape. The depth of field is not really important here because the reflection and the flat scene in the distance is all in focus, and I only have to worry on the level because in the boat it's kind of hard to get it really straight, but it's important to get it as straight as possible while you're shooting, not in post-production. Yeah, I'm still here on the lake or on Planinsko Polje, and it's still no sun. It's probably overcast because the fog has lifted, the water is super still, but I don't see any sky, so it's probably just all became like low clouds and overcast. But that's okay. It is what it is. It has been a really beautiful photography-rich morning. I got beautiful images, very different from what I expected. But that's okay. That's actually the beauty of photography, right? And probably I'm gonna head back towards my car now. And once I return, I'm gonna fly my drone for the last time to get some aerial images because these trees look really nice from the above perspective too. But I just noticed over there are some swans. I'm gonna kayak closer if possible. Maybe I get some images, some more unexpected images, and then I'm gonna head back.
you.